Okay, I know I need to film content, but look at this office. My hair hasn't seen a brush since Tuesday, and I'm supposed to set up lights, a camera, maybe hire a... Yeah, that's not... What if I didn't have to? It's Thursday, by the way, and no, you don't need a camera crew. My avatar says, I've got this. You handle the genius ideas. I'll handle the lighting, and you don't have to be camera ready. I show up for you confidently, consistently, and professionally. No expensive production teams, no stress. No, is my hair okay? Moments. Here are some of the avatar looks I have created. Animated character. Me on a motorcycle with a T-Rex behind me. That's exactly why I created this course, to show you step by step how to build your own AI digital twin. No special equipment, no AI expertise required. If you're ready to show up even when you're not camera ready, this is your moment. Join today for just $27. Visit our website today, aisuperstars.net.